Hello, this is Ramtin Ray Nosrati and welcome to the Bel Air Escape. This is where you escape from everything. You're on top of the world, surrounded with nature. First thing you notice when you drive down the private driveway is this beautiful living wall. This living wall is built with a variety of species. This is actually the first living wall that greets you, but the minute you walk into the home, you are greeted by this beautiful wraparound moss wall, which has a skylight from above and wraps around down to the lower level. Yeah, the beautiful thing about this moss wall, I wanted to go ahead and create an art piece. So what we ended up doing is staining it with organic fruit coloring to go ahead and give it this look, and this will last a lifetime. Let's go check out the primary. Now, if you remember, I mentioned the home name being Escape, and this is one of the main reasons why. Surrounded by glass walls and an automated glass door from floor to ceiling. Waking up here makes you want to embrace every morning and every day. From up here, you're on top of the world. One of my favorite parts about the primary is the wraparound balcony with an L-shaped fire pit, and just enjoy the amazing Pacific Ocean and city lights. The primary bath is definitely one of a kind. Again, wrapped around with automated pocket doors, being able to go ahead and enjoy this amazing California indoor-outdoor weather. We can't forget talking about the stone here in the primary shower. Custom imported stone, and as you see, it's all book matched to perfection, and it's about just bringing in nature into the property. What makes it so special about this entertainment area is the open floor plan. This is our living room. Copper ceilings above with the white oak wood. You got the fireplace that wrapped around in travertine. And you got floor to ceiling glass just looking at this amazing wine cellar. And before we go to the kitchen, I gotta show you this amazing hand-carved stone bar which matches the stairway. The opposite end of the bar, we have the dining room, looking out to the backyard or looking out again to the open floor plan. And for me, it all finishes at the kitchen, because the kitchen is where the heart of the home is. Altogether, this floor plan is one cohesive entertainment area. This backyard is surrounded by the amazing city and ocean view. Your outdoor kitchen on this side right here with a big screen, 130-inch LED TV, and an 80 feet zero-edge infinity pool. The roof deck, feel like you're on top of the world. You got this oversized 16 feet fireplace with a full outdoor kitchen right behind me with a putting green that just adds the cherry on top of the cake. And this wraps up the tour. Thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget, he who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Till the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.